We run through cow paddocks filled with buttercups and ride on the tractor when Dad picks us up. We lie under the shade of a coal-fired tree, listening to the sound of busy, buzzy bees. Buzz, 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 buzz.
Making honey for me?
My gumboots and I like to play in the rain. Da-da-dee-day, we jump into puddles, float boats down a drain, and see earthworms squiggling and a-wriggling around, while snails and their houses make trails on the ground. Ducklings splish-splash on the rippling pond, and a frog on a lily pad croaks out a song. Croak, 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 croak.
Can I croak along?
My kiwi gumboots reach up to my knees. They are the colour of cheddar cheese. They're different from Mums and Dads, it's true, but when I grow up, I'll have red bands too. My gumboots and I want to help on the farm. Da-da-dee-da, Mum says a little rain won't do any harm. We feed woolly lambs in fields of daffodils, pour milk out for calves till they've had their fill. Hens come a-clucking from their cosy nests, leaving us eggs like nature's treasure chests. Cluck, 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 cluck.
I like this brown one best.
My kiwi gumboots reach up to my knees. They are the colour of cheddar cheese. They're different from Mums and Dads, it's true, but when I grow up, I'll have red bands too. My gumboots and I like to go into town. Da-da-dee-dow, in the cab of Dad's truck with our dog, Mr. Brown. Although he's black and white, we go exploring in the old town hall, buy fuzzy kiwi fruit at a market stall, say hello to our neighbours who ask merrily, are you going to throw your gumboots in tie happy? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What fun that will be!
My gumboots and I go to school on a bus. Da-da-dee-da, while Mum and my brother wave goodbye through the dust. At playtime we climb on the jungle gym, then run to the teacher when she calls us in. We sit on a mat learning how to read, till my tummy starts rumbling. Ring the lunch bell please. Ding, ding, ding-a-ling.
Yum, Marmite and cheese.
My kiwi gumboots reach up to my knees. They are the colour of cheddar cheese. They're not as tall as some I've seen, but they keep out the mud and keep my toes clean. My gumboots and I go inside before dark. Da-da-dee-da, they stand by the door while I have my bath. I dive under the water like a submarine, then rise to the top so just my nose is seen. Mum comes to make sure that my face is clean, so I tell her about where my gumboots have been. Talk, 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 talk.
Oh, and one more thing.
My kiwi gumboots reach up to my knees. They are the colour of cheddar cheese. They're not as tall as some I've seen, but they keep out the mud and keep my toes clean. You see, my gumboots and I are very best friends. Da-da-dee-dee, I wish I could wear them when the day ends. As Dad tucks the blankets up under my chin, I make wriggle room so I can sneak them in. I wait for the moment when Dad says sleep tight, wishes me sweet dreams and turns down the light. My kiwi gumboots reach up to my knees. They are the color of cheddar cheese. Under the covers they glow in the dark, and as I drift off to sleep I hear Mr. Brown bark. Woof, 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 woof. Shh. They're my kiwi gumboots and me, you see. My kiwi gumboots and me. My kiwi gumboots and me.
Good night, gumboots.